Okay, so this all is based on working out exact values of sine and cos from and tan from first principles, and this root 3 comes from Pythagoras. If you imagine this side, we'll call well, we'll just call it yz as it's there already. Yz squared plus xy squared equals xz squared. That's just basic Pythagoras. So yz squared plus 1 equals 4. That means that yz squared equals 3 and yz equals root 3. Right, sine 60, the sine 60 that it's getting at is this thing here, is from this thing here. We know that's 60 because the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So sine 60, remember SOHCAHTOA? Well, the SOH bit stands for opposite divided by hypotenuse. So the opposite is this bit here. So it's opposite divided by hypotenuse. So it is root 3, there's the opposite, divided by 2. Now on this one we're going to be using sine rule. I can tell that because we've got a side and an opposite angle, a side and an opposite angle. We're asked about sine B, angle B, and we're told about angle A, and that's how I knew to use them. Plus the fact that it says sine A here. So let's write that out. We've got sine A over the opposite side, 2 take away root 3, equals sine B over 4 root 3 take away 6. Right, replace my sine A with a quarter, so that's going to be a quarter over 2 take away root 3 equals sine B over 4 root 3 take away 6. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by 4 root 3 take away 6 because I'm after what angle B is, so I want B on its own. So that's a quarter lots of 4 root 3 take away 6 over 2 take away root 3. Now you can actually bring the 4 down onto the bottom. Remember that multiplying by a fraction we do top times top and bottom times bottom, so this is like a quarter times everything. So the 1 times this and then the 4 times this. I might do that in a minute, we'll see. Yes I will, I'll do it now. So that is going to be 4 root 3 take away 6 over 4 lots of 2 take away root 3. Now I'm going to rationalise the denominator. And I'm assuming that if I'm going to be showing that B is 60, it's going to have to go back to this. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2, so I'm looking for root 3 over 2. So I need to simplify this, so rationalise the denominator. So I get 4 root 3 take away 6 multiplied by 2 plus root 3. So I'm just multiplying by the irrational bit at the bottom, but doing 2 plus root 3 here. And then on the bottom of this fraction I've got 4 lots of 2 take away root 3 times 2 plus root 3. Right, do a bit of FOIL. I'll go up here, shall I? So I go the outers, do the outers, 8 root 3. Sorry, that's the first, isn't it? The outers, 4 times root 3 times root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is 3, so 4 times 3 is 12. Inners, that's minus 12. And last, that's minus 6 root 3. And on the bottom, we've got 4 times, now 2 times 2 is 4. Negative root 3 times 2 is minus 2 root 3. Then we've got plus 2 root 3. And last, minus root 3 times root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is 3, so that's going to be take away 3, and that comes to sine B. Right, we've got 8 root 3 take away 6 root 3, that's 2 root 3. We've got 12 take away 12, which is nothing. This is going to be 4 lots of in the brackets. 4, take away 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3, that cancels. Take away 3, 4 take away 3 is just 1. So this is 4 lots of 1. Now, factorise. Take 2 out as a factor. Therefore, b equals 60. And that's because we've got the same thing from above, from here.